We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as if you refer to our analysis, this is the price from Buzzford. Within this one, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And because we mentioned if we get one move up, then from there we can expect the price to drop. And we wanted to see the breakout of the previous top. The price couldn't tag, and before tag the price previous top, we see the reversal. And right now we're looking at this. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it, because right now at this moment we see the market is moving and we're looking for buy again. And if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking at this correction. How deep this one can go, even we mentioned with the breakout of this one, we can expect even price drop to 22.5. But what we mentioned we're looking for the reversal as a long term. We're looking for buy. And based on daily chart with the targets, we're looking for 62 following by 77. By the way, at this point, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade set up for buy, but we're looking for buy. Even if we didn't get the trade based on daily, we have to look for the trade based on lower time frame. And as we can see, the price based on forward chart almost near to the lowest price of this correction. But since there was no breakout, we cannot consider about the divergence, because if the price could give us one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, we could look for the divergence. Then any reversal from there we could consider as a long term. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy from here. If we get any opportunity for buy from now, any reversal, we'll take it and we consider relative to this or here, any of this. Okay, then from there with the breakout of any of the previous top, mostly with the breakout of the 31.8, if the price could, because at first we're looking, if we get any opportunity, we're looking for the 31.8 following the 33.5 as the targets, short-term targets. And mostly we see the reversal. The price could break this correction at the top. That means mostly we have to see the breakout of this zone to confirm we are within the uptrend. All right. First, any trade for buy we consider as a short-term within this correction. But if the price could break the previous top, the highest price of this correction, then from there we can expect to see the continuation. This is the reasons. If the price could break the lowest price of this correction, it could give us better confirmation for continuation or reversal as a long term. Anyway, from now, if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And if I move to 1 hour chart, right now, either we need, because technically whenever we see this kind of the correction, we prefer to see the next drop, right? But at this is the best. If we get, then from there we can look for buy. But even if price reverse from here with the breakout of this as a short move flag, we can look for the trade either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, as what I explained based on forward chart. Having entry above this is not a really good idea. Maybe we put our entry above here, but we should know that we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue if the price tag this is not moving. We shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. The reason we don't want to put our entry above here, simply the price can tag and drop, because we mentioned we can expect this one to be as a correction relative to this for the next drop. And as I explained based on forward chart, the best things is if the price could break the lowest price of the correction, right? Anyway, from now, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.